Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing an easy one, replacing a smoke detector. Super easy and keep your family safe too. I'm going to show you how to change one. Let's get to it. So first, remove the old smoke detector. This one's already been removed. Pull out our wires here. Let's make sure we kill our breaker first. After we know the power is off, we'll be ready to work on it. Or you could keep it interesting and leave it on. We're going to disconnect our old wire harness. Our black first. Cap that for safety. The common. And our red wire. You may not have a red wire. The red wire only communicates to other smoke detectors. So if one goes off, they all go off. Take our new wire harness. And my little red tip is capped off. Since I have a red wire, I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. Wire it in the reverse order. Red, white, lastly the hot. Make sure those are good and snug. Wires go back into the hole. Now we take our mounting plate and line up the slots on your mounting plate with whatever particular screw configuration you have. Tighten it down. Next, remove your shower cap. Then we can go ahead and pull off this guy too. Close the lid. Plug in our wire harness. And clip. Working awesome. So that's it. Super easy. We just replace your smoke detector, and if you could put a price on your family safety, it would be about 20 bucks. So for Home Mender Inc., this is Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.